AirPods Pro got run over by a car. As you can see here, it has a massive crack and all the seams have opened up. The charging contact seems to be intact, but the rest of the case has cracked open. And it cracked all the way around where it got run over by the car wheel. I tried to reinsert it into the case, but it doesn't close. And because the case cannot close, the charging contact isn't making contact with the charging terminal, and I can't charge the AirPod. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and contacted Apple support. In this case, because it was accidental damage, it wasn't covered by a warranty. So they sent me a link to pay for a replacement, and once I did, they quickly shipped it out to me. So here's the single replacement earbud. It comes with instructions on how to pair it. So you literally just put it in the case, plug it in, and push that button on the back to pair it. So it comes with extra replacement ear tips. It comes with the medium fitted on the AirPod itself, and then the small and large are included in the packaging. So let me try it here, and it slides right into the case. The green light comes on indicating that it's charging. Now you just need to press and hold this button here on the back to repair it to your phone. And you keep holding that button until the light blinks white. So what I've gone ahead and done is, as you can see, there are some scuff marks on my AirPods case. So I went ahead and ordered a silicone protective case, just one of those cheap ones on Amazon. So it comes with a rubber or a silicone cover for the top and the bottom portion of the case as well. It has a cutout for your charging. And then you just insert the AirPods into it. It comes with a carabiner to secure it to your backpack or a belt. The hinges are exposed, so the case works great. You can still use the button on the back, and the light on the front shines through.